VTubers aren't required to have a logo, but I think they're fun, and it's something you can slap onto any of your stuff to let people automatically know that it's connected to you. While design in general is a tough thing to learn that requires studying, you can pull off making a pretty decent one if you just look at the ones you like and write down why you like it. Here are some logo examples. Each have their own fonts, colors, and flares to them to make them special. Use your model to figure out how to make your logo. For example, I have a cute cozy bear model, so I use a cute font, a lot of the same pastel colors as my model, and I include a bear paw, bear head, and some sparkles, hearts, and stars. My font is round and soft. Font type is very important to show what kind of vibe you're going for. To think of these logos in the opposite way, try to visualize the kind of model these logos have. For example, this one is elegant and has a moon, so their model can be a beautiful person with clothes like the night, or possibly they are a witch, as the moon and stars are often associated with them. Or this one has cute ears and a tail, definitely a cat VTuber with cute vibes. Make sure your logo fits into a condensed space. For example, you don't want to have your name only horizontal because it makes for a long logo. Or if you go the other way, then you get yourself a strangely tall logo. Try to make it so your logo fits in a square or a rectangle-like box so that you can always fit it into the corner of things, such as thumbnails, schedules, or any post, really. Once you've found a font, arrange it the way you like, add some flair to it, think of little things you can add behind or around it is really what defines your aesthetic. If you're an animal of some kind, you can add some paws or hooves. Or if you're based off of food, then add that food. It's these little details that really make a logo special. Now, the very last thing is to color it all. Use colors that are from your model and play around with them until you're happy with something. Add an outline, drop shadow, whatever you like to really make your logo pop. I hope you have fun with it. I certainly did with mine. Now that we've designed your model and logo, let's move on to overlays in the next video. Hope to see you then. Bye bye!